Hey everybody, so I got a new Tonneau truck cover to share with you today. This one was sent over to me to try, and this one is a Trifold fiberglass build. I'm going to take off the one that I have on here. This is one that I got from the dealer a while back. One thing I do like about this one though is that it is a slimmer profile. Just looking at it, I will show you a before and after, and I'll show you a comparison between like the one I have, and once I get this on there, I'll show you that as well. I'm also going to show how to install it, and I'm going to show you the other accessories that come with it as well. So one difference is that this one does have clamps in the center as well, and we do have our clamps for the front end, which I'll show you how that works. Also, it did include a light, and we do have weather stripping to put on the front. Now to show you a side view of the one I have on here now. So right now I have it set up where the front one is right here. I want to go ahead and get these ready before I put it in there, and that way I can show it on the camera a little better. But what we need to do is we're going to put these clamps on the front one, and you're going to want to have it where it's going to be facing inward, or facing outward, I'm sorry. I'll put this on there and we'll repeat to the other side. Now, unlike my other one, this one did come with a weather seal, so we're going to put that on here in the front. After that, we need to put our cover on and get it lined up. But you want to get both sides lined up the best you can. Now, I do recommend unfolding it and then making sure that it's lined up that way as well before you clamp anything down. I will also shut the tailgate, make sure that everything's lined up there as well, and where I want it here on the tailgate. But once you have it lined up how you want it, now we can go ahead and go in and start putting the clamps on. Now what we need to do is get these clamped down. Now these metal bar things, these are something I had from something else, these are not included. You can get these for help reinforcement, but pretty much you're going to try to get this metal piece here and your plastic piece if you have one. We need to get this. But pretty much we need to get this on here, and then we're just going to tighten it down. Once we have that side down, we can move to the other side. We'll get this side clamped down. So for these center ones, we need to go ahead and get those clamps on those as well. It's going to be these ones here. And pretty much we just need to spin these on, and then they're going to clamp down just like those other ones will. You need to get them tight enough where they're going to clamp down here. And then we're just going to put it in there and clamp it down. And also this does come with cotter pins, so your cargo won't knock this loose. Alright, now we can clamp these front ones down. And then here in the front, you do the same thing. Get these clamps on, clamp it down, and then stick the cotter pins in so your cargo doesn't knock anything loose. So just like that, we do have our cover installed. This one is a shinier one for sure. Definitely looks really nice. This one's not quite as thick as the other one I had on there, but it is still fairly thick. We do have that little light that comes with it. Alright, so just like that, we have a nice new truck bed cover. It looks really good. It's fiberglass trifold made, so it's nice and sturdy. It'll also handle up to 400 pounds on here of cargo, so you can even haul some stuff on top if you really needed to. And when you don't need it, you got buckles to keep it open. Anyways, really nice cover. It's actually really easy to install it and put it on. It only takes a matter of minutes depending on how fast you can do it. It's not very heavy and it can be lifted by one person. Of course, it would be easier if you have two people. But anyway, this is the Trifold fiberglass tonneau cover for the Ford F-150. I believe it's for the 2015 through the 2024. And hopefully this gives you a good idea what to expect with this and if you're wanting to get one for your truck. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.